ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ತಮ್ಮನ ಭಟ್ ಅವರೇ. Yes, we request you to say a few words on the occasion. The smile says it all. She indeed looks happy. But ಮನದಾಳದ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Words from your, straight from your heart. Over to you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. It's a matter of huge pride and honor to be a part of the KSDL family. What they have shown me today is so much warmth and love. And to be honest, that's what my career in the past 20 years has been all about. I don't think I could have gotten this far as an artist if I didn't continuously get this kind of love and support from the audiences, from the country, and from Indians all across the globe. And today I feel like after 20 years of being in the film industry, it's a new chapter in my life as an artist. And I'm so excited that in this very new phase where I take on new roles, new challenges and new responsibilities, I get to be the face. A soap that's not just a soap, it is an emotion. It is our childhood, it is nostalgia. And I always wondered, how can something so nostalgic still be so relevant? And the only thought that crossed my mind was that when it was made with authenticity and the truth. And there's only one thing that doesn't change, and that is the truth. And I feel like that is the core philosophy behind Mysore Sandal soap, being absolutely unbeatable in the market. Technology can improve, many more brands can come into the market, but Mysore Sandal soap has a very, very strong and special place in people's hearts. It's the feeling that people, when they wake up in the morning and when they experience the soap, the feeling that they leave with and spend their entire day, that is just something that I don't think that's tangible. And yeah, I feel extremely honored, extremely lucky. And thank you, MB Patil sir. I can't. Namaste. Very nice to meet you. It's such a special occasion and you made time for this. This means the world to us and we are so excited that you've come here to grace our event. And yeah, we're very, very honored to have you here.
Stay back on stage, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
A celebrated actress leading towards 100 or century movies in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada. It's such an honor to have you with us today. A hearty welcome to Namma Bengaluru and Karnataka.
Yeah, I would now request Honorable Minister Shri M.B. Patil, Chairman Shri Appaji C.S. Nagowda and the dignitaries to please come over to felicitate Ratna Vishweshwaraya ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭವಾದಂತಹ ಆ ಸುವರ್ಣ ದಿನಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮರುಕಳಿಸಲಿವೆ. The glory of Mysore Sandal is going to come back with a host of new products, 60 plus. A round of applause for the entire moment here.
The entire team who's been tirelessly working for this new phase and the new shape. Can we please request the members of the media to step back?
ಶುದ್ಧ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯಿಂದ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಸಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಮತ್ತಿದರ ಪರಿಮಳ ಸಮ್ಮೋಹಕವಾಗಿದೆ. Mysore Sandal Soap, ನನ್ನ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ರಿಚುವಲ್. 100% ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧದ ಎಣ್ಣೆಯ ಪರಿಮಳ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಲಾತೀತ ಸುಗಂಧದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸೋಪ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ.
With the goodness of 100% pure sandalwood oil and a timeless fragrance. Mysore Sandal Soap is now in a new pack.
ಇಂಥ ರಾಯಲ್ ಕಾಂತಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಆಕೆಗೆ ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ನ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕಾಂತಿ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸೋಪ್, ನನ್ನ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ರಿಚುವಲ್. With a royal glow like that, I don't think so she needs a flash.
It's my Mysore Sandal Glow. Try it. Mysore Sandal Soap, my royal beauty ritual.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಐ ಲವ್ ಯೋರ್ ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರಿಮಳ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಟ್ ನಾನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ದಿನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ನಾನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸೋಪ್, ನನ್ನ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ರಿಚುವಲ್.
Thank you.
I love your perfume. You smell so good all the time.
Thank you. But what if I told you that I bathe in it?
Bathe?
Try it. Mysore Sandal Soap, my royal beauty ritual.
ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಎಂ ಬಂತು. ನೀನು ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ದಿನಾಲೂ ಒಂದು ರಾಯಲ್ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಂಪರಿಂಗ್, ಆ ಶುದ್ಧತೆ, ಆ ಪರಿಮಳ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕಿದೆಯಾ? ಮೈಸೂರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸೋಪ್, ನನ್ನ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ರಿಚುವಲ್.
I got a very interesting DM. If you had to time travel, where would you go? If I had to, I would want to escape to a royal world every day. The pampering, the purity, the fragrance. Would you like to go to Mysore Sandal Soap, my royal beauty ritual?